Okay, let's see how I feel about this. Hello! I'm editing this video right now that you're about to see, but I wanted to jump on and give a little bit of an intro. A few weeks ago, I asked my darling friend to come over and help me film a video of my current makeup collection. We ended up drinking about a bottle of rosé each, and this is the video that ensued. Please enjoy hanging out with Daniel and I, and let me know what you think in the comments below. It is a hot mess. We're a hot mess in this video. Enjoy. Great, we're recording. Wow. Hi guys. Oh wait, no, I have an intro. You know what it is? Oh hi. Today I thought we'd do something a little bit special. Daniel, how's my on-camera presence as compared to my real life presence?
Equal.
Great.
Equally stunning.
It's my darling friend Daniel behind the camera. You're going to hear his beautiful mouth in your ear. Today I thought we'd do a little mock-up presentation. It's makeup. I want to show you my makeup collection. This is truly like my happy place. Don't worry about this not closing all the way. I'm not sure why that's happening. Oh, this one too. They sometimes do. Right now they're not. I don't know why. Great. That's an intro. Daniel, do you have any questions? I'm sorry, do you have any questions leading into this extravaganza?
What are you drinking?
I have a sparkling rosé. I believe it's called a vids.
Wow.
My hope is that this footage will be usable.
Usable. This is my first time being behind the camera, so.
Do I look, do I have unseemly folds?
No.
Okay. Because
You
I'm
look
wearing
like you should be in charge of everything.
I'd like to show you the topsy-turvy of my setup here. First we have this humidifier, which should plug into the wall, but I have taken the plug away because it's ugly, and I've just set this out
This is just a shot of the humidifier in your boobs.
This is just the what? Will you include me in my own video?
Yeah.
Will you include me in my own narrative, please?
Yeah, sorry.
So, why am I out of breath now? I'm just on the ground. I haven't been doing anything. Do I have to put this in the sink right now? There's no room for it.
You just put it with all of this other stuff.
That's fine. Yep. Okay. Right here I have all of my... I think you need product shots here. I need you to get in.
Yeah.
You need to get in tight. And I know you have a tremor in your hand, but try not to shake because I have to edit this and I don't want to get motion sick. So,
I legit have shaky.
I've seen it. No,
yeah.
I've seen it.
I don't know what it is.
I don't want to make you more nervous because I feel like that would activate
Yeah,
the
no,
tremor.
well now I'm nervous and my arm is tired.
Okay, so these are my liquid lipsticks. So these are all of my matte liquid lipsticks. I try to organize them by color-ish. Here. Isn't that nice though? Isn't that pleasing? You can say yes, Daniel.
Well, I'm doing a not so subtle shift. So.
Okay. Neither of us are known for our subtlety, I think. No, I know that's not a good angle.
It's not good.
We have all of my eye brushes. We have a small brush here. Wait, let me see this shot. Oh, that's a good shot, Daniel. Okay, good.
Thank you.
These are some lipsticks that wouldn't fit in there, and I was like, okay, I have this, so let's put them in there. This is like a gondola of lipsticks. This is medicine that I have to take. These are more of my bullet lipsticks. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Daniel's stepping in some other makeup that doesn't have a place yet. But these are my bullet lipsticks. These are my Bobbi Brown art sticks that I love so much, and they have their own place in a candle cup. Couple of brushes, lipstick. More lipsticks on top that won't necessarily fit. Another gondola of lipsticks.
Wow.
Some liquid lipsticks here, some Kat Von D, more liquid lipsticks here, some Kylie Jenner liquid lipsticks. I went through a phase there. I did. I went through a phase.
Now, to me, all of those colors look very similar, but that's incorrect.
I mean, I understand that. It is incorrect, but I do understand that. This, I have a bunch of more. My nude sticks. Those are pencil, lipstick, cheek products. Brushes go on top of here. These are more face brushes. More face brushes here. These are also in old candle holders. Is this your wine, Daniel, or is this mine? This is mine, right?
Yours.
Okay. And then this is my my drawer of lip glosses. So we have lots of different colors. Again, I tried to sort of group them by color because that's my preference. That's what I like. Color, vibe, and then this bottom one is just like everything that didn't go with anything else.
And then what's this?
This is like something to roll out your muscles. Are you sore? All of the rest of this is an M that my mom sent me in the mail once. And I love it. It's sparkly. A couple bracelets, some lip glosses, and some smaller lip items. This is some Eucerin cream, so if you ever have a rash and you come over to my house, you'll be taken care of. This is my pickle. Yodels. And I love him, and he has the pride of place. Right on top. Yikes. With all of my favorite things. Don't say yikes. Don't say yikes in my home. Okay, so now we're going to get into where the bulk of my makeup is.
Yeah.
In the drawers. Daniel, are we ready?
Yes, Monica.
Action?
Set, go.
These used to be at the end of my bed, and I switched them up because I heard that for your brain activity, you need to move things around your house so that you forget where they are, so that you create new brain patterns and neural pathways, so that you always keep active up here. Do you know what I mean? You're supposed to move them. Daniel, you can answer me.
I mean, my mom does like Sudokus and like word puzzles. Is that the same thing?
That's good too.
Okay.
But you're also supposed to, can I have that camera on me, please?
Sure.
You're also supposed to like change the way you go to work. And
why would I do that? I have the perfect route to work.
Let's look at my makeup. Daniel, do we have a good shot? Okay. So here's my first drawer. Couple of pencils, my Linda Hallberg pencils, I don't know why I kept them in this like packaging actually. They're only like 2 and like they're not even all in here. Oh, these are all in here. Here are my eye pencils, all of my sharpeners. I don't know if you can see, but all of my sharpeners. Then these are my lip liners, so I have them according to sort of color family. These are all the naturals. These are all the reds and oranges. No. So what are these? Oh,
magentas.
The berries and plums.
Yeah.
These are all of the sort of light pastel-y kind of pinks, and these are the browns. Then these are my eyebrow products over here. Oh god. Okay, so here, that's drawer number 1. Drawer number 2 is all of my...
Whoa!
That's too much input.
Sorry.
Okay, that's too much.
That's fair.
I didn't know you were going to hit a high note. You have to warn me. So, these are all of my blushes. That's cream blushes, sticks, powders, I guess, and some like palettes in here. Like small palettes, but single blushes go in here. Then I
do have a question.
What's your question?
What is on your hand?
Oh, I picked up an eyeliner that was in here that I forgot that I had, and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. What is that? This is what I do.
It's like it looks like it's like I'm camping.
I want to say this was probably like smaller palettes, but then these got put in there after something happened. But these are like smaller eyeshadow palettes, like Zaza right here.
Can I ask a question? Like,
yeah.
Why do you have so many? And it looks like none of them have been used. Is that a rude question to ask?
That's not a rude question to ask. Like, I have a friend who has like a ton of clothes.
Who?
I'm not going to reveal her name. And she has like, for some reason, she has like an inordinate amount. Insubordinate amount. I can't even say that. Like, people have a lot of clothes or like a lot of sneakers, you know, like a sneakerhead. And you're like, these are all in their boxes. They've never been worn. I do understand this kind of like collector mentality. Like, I think I've had that before. So
would you say that this is less utility and more like how my mom collected Barbies in the 60s?
Yeah, I mean, none of this is, I would say, like utility other than the innate human need for like beauty and what they think is beautiful. So let's see, can we see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it's not like a weird horror movie angle?
Well, I mean, it's all a weird horror anger movie.
Horror anger movie?
It's all a weird horror movie angle.
Will you flip it around the screen to me? Can I see it? You're giving it. Oh no, that's good.
Okay.
That's good, Daniel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, here we have, this is all of my...
Puffs and creams.
Daniel.
And swabs and
Daniel.
goobs.
Goobs. So this is all of my skincare. So,
Oh.
lip
Can I
care.
get in
This is
there?
actually a lip gloss, and this needs to go up here. But, so I have like balms, like lip balms and stuff. There's a hair there. Any sort of like face mask, exfoliant. There's some spare deodorant, some face serum, some balms. Any of the balms. All of that goes in here. Look at this. This is just pretty.
Is that bubble gum? What is that?
It's a clay mask for your face.
Do I need
So
that right now?
sucks out all of the impurities.
I have a big event coming up.
Yeah. What's your event?
I'll be asleep in the next few hours.
Okay.
That
Alright.
feels like an event.
That's fair.
And then
Yeah.
Simba's like, too many things to tell her,
Yes!
but what I can't decide. All right, what do we got here?
Okay, so this is another eyeshadow palette drawer. I feel like this started off as my face palette, so like this kind of a thing. So like blushes, highlighters, that kind of jazz. Then they have eyeshadows sort of piled on top. So I think this just developed as like a catch-all. And
What's the peacock thing?
this one?
Yeah, one time I got chased by a peacock.
Have you ever heard them like scream in the night?
Yeah,
It sounds like someone's being stabbed.
yeah. I have a couple animal impressions,
Yeah.
and one of them is a screaming peacock.
Can I hear your peacock?
Well, I preface it by saying it's just me screaming.
Then this one, can you see this one?
Yeah.
This is probably the drawer. It's not the drawer that I feel the most shame about, because I can't say that I feel any shame about any of these drawers.
Well, you
but
did
this
put
is
it at the
drawer-
bottom.
This is the drawer. Why did I put this at the bottom? So this is like my highlighters and bronzers. And again, this was like a drawer that started off highlighters on one side, like bronzers on the other. I don't know how it happened, but this drawer has like grown. It's very hard to like it's heavy. But then I look at them all and I'm like, oh, these are my children. This drawer is my, I don't say it's my white whale, but this drawer is certainly a bronze one. So this is my lash drawer. These are one night and then you just pop them off. But you can reuse them. And
Just
then you
one
pop 'em
night
off.
only, one night only. What's this?
Where is it?
Yeah, that.
Individuals. These are like, well,
Ugh.
individuals. They're like
I don't like
clumps of a
seeing
few.
hair like that.
What
Wow.
about like this?
No, that's worse because it's uncovered.
Okay.
I don't know why. That's
What
weird.
about like,
That's a new thing I'm just discovering.
what about like that?
No, I don't like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. All right, all right, all right. And then this is some primer that shouldn't be in there. But yeah,
Okay.
these are all my lashes, and then right in the front here is like my lash glue. I have a couple more lash glues that I have put somewhere that I can't remember right now. But this is maybe the most frustrating drawer that I have. This is where like my setting sprays, primers, foundations, and powders go. And I really don't like use a lot of this stuff. Like I don't use any primer.
What do you normally use primer for?
You would put it on after your moisturizer, before your foundation, to help your foundation stay on.
It feels like they're trying to get you to
Sell
buy
you more things.
multiple things.
Yeah. I've never used a primer where I didn't feel like I had like 13 layers of stuff on my face. I have some because I was like, oh, people are using this and they say it's amazing, so I should probably get some. And also when I worked at Sephora last summer, they
Oh.
gave me some and I was like, well, I guess I have to take it. They were like, take it. Next drawer. This is all of my like specialty makeup. So like I have like hair spray paint, I have a mustache, I have like tan cream, I have something to help you put on crystals that literally I paid like $23 for and I haven't opened it. I have...
Have you never worn crystals?
No, I bought crystals in a panic right before my no-buy started. And so I have them now.
Wow, you went high end too.
Oh yeah, I was like, okay, if I'm getting crystals, then I'm getting crystals. I'm getting Swarovski and I'm getting them multicolored because I don't know what my mood is going to be.
Absolutely.
Glitter spray, body salve, these little plastic
Can I see
modeling.
what glitter spray looks like on?
Yes. just like,
Oh, wow.
it's pure glitter. Glue sticks, just in case I want to erase my eyebrows. All of my brush cleaner is in here. Some powder puffs, more glue sticks, more brush cleaner. A palette, spirit gum.
So this is
This is the like specialty makeup drawer when I have a need that's not an everyday need.
okay.
Okay. Next drawer, more eyeshadow palettes, sort of smaller, square, streamlined. These are lip and eye palettes, but they're the right size, so they went in there. Oh, there's a lettuce leaf under there. Okay. These are single shadows, but this is a palette with some single shadows in it. Oops, pressed glitters. That would be really pretty to wear, actually, this like raspberry colored one. Yeah, all of my like single shadows, some liquid shadows in here. Great. Then we have, I've gone a little bit rogue with the categorizing in this one, but I have some lip palettes right here and over here, and then some like loose pigments and loose glitters in here. Yeah, I would say this is like the pigment and glitter drawer with some lip palettes thrown in. So now we've seen like the nice, cute part of what my makeup organization is. Is the camera on me or is it just like my eyes?
It's your eyes.
Okay. Okay, so this is where we were, and then this is where we are now. This is a pile of stuff that came out of my bathroom, and now it's here, and we're trying to figure out where all of this goes. Now here we are in my beautiful bathroom. This is the makeup that I work with every day. Unfortunately, there's a Q-tip there. I don't know why. I think it's to take off my makeup and I just didn't throw it away. But this is what I work from every day. It's very confusing. This is more stuff that I just kind of put here. We're looking for a way to figure all of this out. And then this is the rest of my bathroom. This is a shirt I had to take off because there was salsa on it.
I was there for that.
And then there was a lip gloss incident. Meaning that I was trying on a bunch of lip glosses and trying to find the perfect one, and then they all ended up right here. And then this is my shelf. So the eyeshadow palettes that we just saw that were in a little pile on the floor, they all came from right here. But I want to give them more love. You know what I mean? But just like a nice place to be displayed. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. This is my current makeup collection. Daniel Damaris behind the camera. We love him. And Daniel, want to give him a shot of your face? He's wearing a mask right now. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more of this quality content. Wow. Subscribe if you want to drink rosé with us. And let's chat in the next video. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.